2. Yes, this I feel is the correct format. Assalamu alaikum dear students, I'm Pirzada Muhammad Rafiq once again in front of you with another video lecture. Look at the whiteboard. I feel I should get exactly 10 marks in the examinations for this format. I believe it. But in the end, what I will be awarded will be a big 0. You know the reason why? Actually, I'm not complying with the latest format that's accepted universally nowadays. Sometimes what we do, we write long essays, very long paragraphs, very long short stories, but all goes in vain. The reason is we either do not comply with the question. Remember, every part of a question is a question itself. If you are asked to write 60 to 80 words, if it goes plus minus 10, it is acceptable. But if it goes beyond, if it goes plus minus 50, it will not be accepted and you won't fetch good marks. So today, this was just for fun. This is totally incorrect format. Today we shall be talking about writing skills. And in writing skills, we have paragraph writing. This paragraph writing carries 5 marks for the students of class 2. Paragraph writing. Before moving on, let's first understand what a paragraph is and how is it different from an essay. Remember, an essay can have many paragraphs, which means in an essay you can find many topic sentences, while as a paragraph has only one topic sentence. I shall tell you later what a topic sentence is. And a paragraph actually is a group of words for a single idea. That means only a particular thing, a particular subject, a particular situation is discussed when it comes to paragraph writing. A paragraph has its own layout. It has its own format, which we often forget to follow when it comes to our examinations. And in the end, what we end up with is either less marks or a 0. All right? So, paragraph is a group of words for a single idea. It expresses a single idea. All right? While as an essay can focus on many ideas. You can have many subjects in an essay. All right? So, let's now see how a good paragraph is written, and in the end, I shall be posting a dummy paragraph or a sample paragraph for your better understanding. All right. The very first point to be remembered, or the very first part in a paragraph, is topic sentence. Topic sentence. What's a topic sentence? Often, I've seen many students calling title as a topic sentence, but title is something different and topic sentence is something different. Topic sentence is simply the very first sentence with which we start our paragraph. The very first sentence with which we start our paragraph is called a topic sentence. Now, what are the qualities of a topic sentence? How a topic sentence should be? A topic sentence should be really brief and it should be reflective. I mean, the very first sentence should give you the whole idea what you are going to write about and what the following lines are going to be linked to. All right. So, the second step or the second part of a paragraph is supporting ideas. Supporting ideas. First one is topic sentence, second one is supporting ideas. Supporting ideas are simply lines or sentences that we write in order to support our topic sentence. Which means, under supporting ideas, all the sentences that you write should find their direct relevance with the topic sentence. Means the points should prove this topic sentence. All right. Number 3, adding details. Adding details. Under this section, what we do, we simply quote examples. Or if we write a supporting idea, say suppose, in order to prove it further, or in order to give it a much better explanation, we write adding details, we quote examples. And then the last step is conclusion. Conclusion. You conclude with a sentence. Once again, that sentence should find the direct relevance with the topic sentence. That's how a paragraph is written. Now the things that you need to take care of. You know, we write different things. We write essays, we write short stories, we write poems, and we write paragraphs. There's a certain set of rules that we follow in order to write effectively. That has been put as CODER. We call it coder technique. It means, here C stands for collecting ideas. Before writing, we collect as much information as possible, or whatever is available, we collect that information. So C stands for collecting ideas. O stands for ordering. Let me write it more clearly. Here C stands for collecting ideas. O stands for ordering. Now what is this ordering? Those collected ideas are then placed under a proper order. They are given a proper sequence. Then we have third step, that is D, which stands for drafting. Drafting. We start writing. First, ideas are collected, then they are given a proper sequence, and in the third step, we start writing. Drafting here means writing. We start writing them actually. Then we have E. E stands for editing. So the first draft is edited. We look for additions and alterations. We fix some errors. We add some further details if required. And then we have R. R stands for redrafting. This is the final step. This is the final step of writing, redrafting. When we feel we are sure about something, about some write-up, after editing, we redraft it. And that's how it comes to be known as final publication. All right? So, this coder technique is followed by poets and writers. But don't forget, you are students. You can be tomorrow's writers. You can be tomorrow's poets. All right? So, this thing should be kept in mind while writing. So, now for paragraph writing, what's the structure to be followed? Or what's the layout? Say suppose this is a piece of paper that you are to write on. Okay? I suggest you to carry a pencil or a sketch pen with you when it comes to writing skills. Just draw this rectangular shape. Okay? Now, here you can write title. Title will be given. Alright, then the first step. I told you the first step is topic sentence. The topic sentence should not be started from the margin. It is to be indented, which means it is to be started away from the margin, a bit away from the margin, which means a paragraph is to be written in the form of a paragraph. That means it should not start from the very margin. It should start slightly away from it. So, here you write topic sentence. So suppose my topic sentence is, a mother is an incredible gift from Allah. That's my first sentence, and that should be known as a topic sentence, and it is to be started away from the margin, which means it is to be indented. 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 To dent. Alright. Then, supporting ideas. Supporting ideas can be started from the margin. Margin to margin. Then we have adding details. Generally we have 2, 3 lines, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, which includes supporting ideas as well as adding details. So those lines should be written from end to end. All right. Now When it comes to conclusion, avoid your personal opinions. Be factual. All right? You should avoid your personal opinions. That's how a paragraph is written. And one more thing, if you are asked to write a paragraph of 60 to 80 words, it should be 60 to 80 words. Or it should be 70 to 90 or 50 to 90 words. That's permissible, but don't go beyond that, because a question being asked is a question. Every part of it is a question, and you have to obey, you have to comply with the question. So now here is a sample paragraph. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.